Gold and silver traded bullish, but I can see a bit of a struggle at our entry price. Few hours back with our Asia and Europe session, I have mentioned a buying entry in gold is only about 27.36. What it has done, it has just hit the levels and tried to reverse or try to contain in zone. While silver is likewise stayed between 34 to 34.20 levels, certainly a very good resistance it is getting at this zone. Now, what to expect from metals today? Can we expect further rally towards 27.4250 for gold and 34.50 for silver, or there is a possibility of reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators and do a multi-time frame analysis in order to arrive at a level at which you can trade and trade profitably. This is the only channel to give you two updates. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first gold, followed with silver. Watch. If you look at the hourly charts for gold here, you can find out this is how it has been trading. Certainly, it is a bullish where it is just creating higher highs and higher lows. Very, very important for gold to trade now below 27.24, 27.20 zone. Only and only if these two levels are taken, we can say that it is turning bearish. As long as it stays above 27.24, 27.20 zone, we should not be treating this as bullish here. Also remember, yes, this candle is important as after a big tailed candle and a smaller red body, it is now trying to break out. So if it again stays above now, I am just raising the bar 27.38 levels now. If you see it is staying above 27.38, buy and expect 27.42, and then we can look forward to 27.50 levels here. Possibility exists if it continues to trade in this fashion, we can look forward to higher highs. But also if you notice, the movement is definitely getting sluggish here. The bulls are not these are definitely there but are not pretty much active, you can say. I can see a bit of sluggishness and I can see a bit of tussle here between the bulls and the bears. So this is something you should keep a note of. 20 period moving average now lying at around 27, 25, 26 is going to be now a critical support level. Stochastic rising here, MACD almost flat and it is at an extremely or slightly overbought levels here. If you look at the RSI, this is also at the top. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, you can see this higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen, and specifically the preceding two candles after a bit of consolidation, increasing body size and now rising again. This one can be extremely bullish. We have to watch out closely where it ends. Right now I can see the momentum with the support of the bulls on the upside here. But yes, I will only recommend you to buy at 27.38, and then too you have to be careful till towards 27.42 levels, only above which you can say more bullishness, and then we can look forward to 27.50. Stochastic overbought, MACD is in green and it is still rising. RSI is extremely overbought here on the 2 hour charts as well. When you see the 3 hour charts, the observation is more or less straight bullish candles. Tails are observed and greener bodies are seen. Highs here appear to be close to 27.40 levels. 27.40, we know it is a good resistance zone. Let's see how far it stretches. A breakout beyond 27.40, should take it towards 27.50, chances for which appears to be less. Remember, it is trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period. Possibility of a pullback towards 20 period also exists strong. The stochastic overbought, MACD is elevated, it is extremely overbought, RSI is extremely overbought. Now see, whenever you see such formation, it always calls for a V-shaped drop. Possibly, if not this candle, the next candle, it has to reverse or retrace. Coming to 4 hour, likewise here on the 4 hour charts, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Now the highs are towards 27.40, and the lows are towards 27.24, 25. So as long as it stays between this zone, we have to be slightly careful. Yes, it is trading extremely bullish. It has to reverse, but not showing any signs of it. A good selling or good safer selling is only below 27.20, where you can say that the bears will be active. Below 27.20, 27.18 is where the bears will be active, where you can look forward to 27.14, 27.8 and 27.02, 2700 levels as well. If you look at the stochastic, this is extremely overbought. The MACD is still rising, it is looking upwards. RSI is extremely overbought here. Coming to daily, look at daily charts here. Step is created and since then we have seen it rising, and it is a straight greener candle putting pressure on the Bollinger Bands to expand here, and it is staying outside bands. I will be certainly exercising a bit of caution as long as 27.40, is not taken, and only above which we can expect the next round of rise towards 27.50, 27.65 levels. Else possibility of a reversal stays strong. See, it has seen the highs. If you divide this into two, already we have seen 27.37 from 27.20, And the lows, if it shows this swing, it can in fact move towards 270205 zone. Stochastic extremely overbought. MACD here is interestingly looking upwards and it is still having room for further rise. And that is why we can see a greener candle. And likewise, the same applies to the RSI as well. It is also looking upwards and it has room for further rise. So looking at this, before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this move, I will only recommend you to now buy at 27.38, expect 27.41.42 levels as the first resistance zone. And if it breaks past this, the chances will be high that we may see 27.48.50 levels here. Yes, it is overbought, but remember, when things get overbought, more buyers pitch in and then it stays in an elevated overbought zone. However, you have to exercise extra caution, specifically on the upside. If you're taking a buy, you have to put a trailing stop loss strictly. On the downside, now I will recommend a selling entry at 27, 26, 28 levels. Expected to, you can sell at 27, 28 itself, expect 27, 24, 27, 20. And if it breaks 27, 20, 27, 18 zone, we can look forward to a greater down move towards 27, 14, 27.08 and 27.0204 levels, below which an extreme drop can be expected here. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see rise here, retracement rise here, and it is staying sideways. Now see, staying sideways does not mean that it has turned bearish. It is delivering higher lows, and now once it breaks out beyond 20, 34, 20 levels, you can look forward to a round of rise which is going to take it towards 34.45, 34.65 levels. Yes, it is trading with slight divergence from the 20 period. The 20 period now stays at around 33.70, 33.50 zone. Now remember, as I shared earlier in the day, only bearishness in silver is if it trades below 33.70 levels. Yes, you can take a selling entry at 33.80 itself, but then it is very important for it to now break below 33.70, 33.50 zone, which is going to remain a prime support. The stochastic here has dropped, the MACD has crossed over, and this is trading with divergence. This is a bearish sign. See, it has seen an extremely stronger rise and now trying to retrace. So this wave here can lead to slight retracement towards this zone, which means slight bearishness in silver can be expected here. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts here, lower highs, higher lows. This candle could be a breakout candle. If it stays above 34.20, we have to just go buying here and expect it to keep moving upwards. Yes, right now the consolidation is going on, and if it breaks below 33.80, not to think second time, just stay short for 33.70, 33.50 levels. 33.50 is a prime support below which you can expect 33.20 and $33 levels as well. Yes, after a strong rise, a little retracement you can expect. And this is how silver trades, and this possibility here cannot be ignored that a little retracement can be seen here. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought, trying to cool down. The MACD trying to converge here, it has not yet crossed over. RSI is staying overbought on the 2 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, likewise on the 3 hour charts, lower highs are seen. Preceding candle, a red candle. Current one, because it is trading with slightly overbought indicators, we can see a bit of cooling here, which means there is a possibility of a move towards 33.80 and below which you can expect 33.60, 33.50 levels. And if it breaks 33.50, we can look forward to a major down move, which can in fact take silver towards 33.20 or $33 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD trading with extreme divergence. It is trying to converge, which means couple of red candles or moderate red candles can be expected. RSI is staying extremely overbought, coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour chart, see a reversal sign. However, lower highs and higher lows are seen. It has to come out of this consolidation zone. This is very clear, and thus it is only recommended to sell silver below 33.80 levels. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI extremely overbought here. Coming to daily charts, and when you see the daily charts, higher highs are seen and swing is already happened. We have seen it hitting 33.50 in the earlier trade, and also higher highs are also seen here. So it has to come out of this zone, very clear, 33.50, 34.20 zone. The median here is at almost 33.80 levels, and thus 50 here, 50 here. If you divide this into two, median almost staying at around 33.80, which is now going to be a crucial level below which only you can say slight bearishness can be expected, where we can look forward to 33.20, $33 levels as well, and below that 32.50 levels may appear as a stronger support. stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought. So looking at this, I will recommend you to only buy at 34.20, where you can expect 34.45, 34.65, and then 34 80 $35 levels is the next target, while the selling is, I will recommend at 33.80. Below 33.80 you can expect 33.60, 33.50, and below 33.50 is where the bears will be taking over. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Do press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again with the Asia and Europe session with more updates tomorrow. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.